Just as any other operating system, Windows 11 may encounter issues with the microphone. Most of the time, mic issues are caused by hardware problems that include loss of contact, damaged cables or jacks, or connecting the mic to the wrong output. Also, there may be errors due to incompatible drivers or wrong settings. Within a few minutes, I'll show you some possible solutions to help you fix mic issues. Method 1. Check the mic connection. The first step to take is to check if the microphone works with enough device. Very often, bad contact, damaged cable or broken microphone turn out to be the actual root of the problem. Examine the cable and plug for any possible damage, and connect the mic to another PC or multimedia device to check if the mic works with them. If it works fine with other devices, try to plug it again into the computer where it refused to work. Check the female jack where the mic is connected and make sure that the plug sits tight in the jack. Also, remember to plug the mic into the proper jack. Usually it is marked with the corresponding color or with a microphone symbol. Method 2. Change privacy settings for the mic. Now that you know that the mic is not broken, you can deal with the settings of your operating system. The new version of this operating system features a privacy option that lets you control how apps access the mic. To fix privacy issues in Windows 11, open Start, Settings, Privacy and Security, Microphone. Set the slider next to microphone access to the On position and enable Let apps access your microphone. If you have mic issues in a particular app, find it on this list and enable access. Also, we recommend to enable access for Desktop App Web Viewer. If modifying these settings didn't solve your problem, go to System, Sound, check your input devices. Your mic should be selected. If your mic is missing from this list, look below to find all sound devices and click this button. Allow apps and Windows to use this device for audio. If you can't find the mic on the list, make sure it is enabled in the Device Manager. To open it, right-click on the Start menu and choose Device Manager. Expand the section Audio Inputs and Outputs and check if your mic is displayed here. If the mic is listed, but there is a yellow exclamatory mark next to it, try right-clicking on the device, selecting the option Uninstall, confirming this action, and then clicking Scan for hardware changes. If the mic is displayed with a gray arrow, right-click on the device and select Enable from the context menu. If the exclamatory mark is still there, try updating the driver. To do it, right-click on the device and select Update driver from the context menu. If the operating system fails to find a suitable driver, you'll have to download the sound driver from the official website of your motherboard manufacturer and install it manually. If your computer is a laptop, the microphone can be disabled in its BIOS settings. In that case, find this option in BIOS and enable the mic.
Hello friends! If you need to recover deleted data, view or restore removed browsing history, Hetman Software Products will help you. Follow the link in the description, download the necessary program for free, install it and analyze the disk. The utility will show you the data you can recover, so you'll be able to view it or get it back. In our channel and blog, you will find solutions to any problem, from installing an operating system or configuring it to fixing possible bugs and errors or optimizing mobile gadgets. Our specialists will answer any questions you ask in your comments under the videos or articles.
Another reason why your mic may not work is that it's not selected as the default device in your system settings. If you connected other recording devices to the computer before, your operating system may have switched to such device. To change it, open Settings, Sound, More Sound Settings, and jump to the tab Recording. If you see two or more microphones on the list and some of them are marked green, click on the microphone which you need for all your needs and select the option Set as default device or Set as default communication device. This will put the green mark only on the necessary microphone, and the operating system will use it for all tasks, including recording and communication. After that, click Apply and OK to save the changes. Method 5. Make sure that the mic is disabled. If you change the volume level or try to turn the sound off in the settings before you realize the mic doesn't work, it's time to check if the mic is disabled in the system settings. Right-click on the speaker symbol in the system tray and open Sound Settings. More Sound Settings. Then jump to the Recording tab, select the microphone and click to open Properties. In the window that opens, find the tab Levels and check if the mic is disabled. There should be no red signs saying that the mic is off. Set the volume level to 90 or 100%, click Apply and OK to save this setting. If this doesn't help, try disabling the exclusive mode, which you can find in the Advanced tab. Uncheck the box for Give exclusive mode application priority, and the second option will be turned off as well. After that, check the mic again. Method 6. Run the troubleshooter. As Windows has got its own integrated tools and troubleshooters, you can try using them to fix the problem with the microphone. Open Settings, System, Sound, More Sound Settings, and click on the option Troubleshoot Common Sound Problems for input devices. If a problem is detected, the utility will suggest some directions and solutions. Just follow them. Alternatively, you can run the tool called Troubleshoot and Prevent Computer Problems. To do it, open the Run window and type this command. When the scan is over, the utility will show you the devices on your computer that have issues. Select the microphone from the list and click Next. Select to apply repairs automatically and then click to Apply this fix. When the process is complete, restart the computer. Method 7. Restart the Windows Audio Service. If there is no sound yet, check if Windows Audio Service is working. Such devices allow applications to run, and they also manage various system resources, that is, they perform the same functions as the settings. Use the search feature to find and open services. Look for Windows Audio and make sure that it is enabled. Right-click on it and select Restart. In some situations, it can help you fix the microphone problem. Method 8. Check microphone settings in your programs. In addition to system configurations, some programs have their own mic options, which are typically located in the sound settings. These settings may be different from those configured in your Windows, and they sometimes can be reset to defaults. So if your mic doesn't work in a particular program or game, try to find the corresponding setting and select the proper microphone. Also, don't forget to enable access to microphone for such program. Method 9. Install updates for Windows 11. Check if there are any new updates available for your operating system. Microsoft provides regular updates for its operating systems, and they usually contain latest modifications, integrated tools, and lots of features. It is recommended to install every update to ensure your Windows runs properly. To get the latest updates, open Start, Settings, Windows Update. If there is an update waiting for you, click to download and install it. And if there is nothing to see, click to Check for updates. Windows will start searching for updates, install the ones that the operating system has found, restart the computer, and check if the microphone problem is still there. If you use front panel connectors for your microphone, it makes sense to check if it works with the back panel connectors. Another possible scenario is when you're connecting a new headset that has a combined jack plug for microphone and headphones to an old desktop, computer or laptop. If that's the case, you should remember that old sound cards may not be able to support the mic and headphones at the same time when the combo jack is used. However, this problem can be fixed by using various adapters, and you can see some of them on the screen. The steps described in this video should solve the problem in most situations. Still, if the problem persists even when you connect another microphone, it is most likely to be caused by some Windows errors or hardware issues with the sound equipment in your computer. One of the things you can try is to reset Windows or add a new sound card to your PC. And that is all for now. Hopefully this video was useful. Remember to click the like button and subscribe to our channel. Leave comments to ask questions. Thank you for watching and good luck!